Cellular respiration is the process of taking glucose and oxygen and making cell energy, aka ATP. The main goal of cellular respiration is to break down sugars and provide cells with the energy they need to function. What's up? Today we are showing the cellular respiration system. The first thing we're going to do is show you the products of photosynthesis. Let's check them out right now. Alright, this is the chemical equation for cellular respiration. So over on this side we have the reactants. So that's glucose and oxygen. C6H12O6, which is the glucose, plus 6O2, which is the oxygen. Like I said, those are the reactants. And let's come on over here and check out the products on this side. So on this side we have 6O2 plus 6H2O plus your ATP. So that's your carbon dioxide, your water, and your energy right there. And as I said, those are the products right there. So that is the chemical equation for cellular respiration. How cool is that? Alright, the first step is glycolysis. Glycolysis is the process that occurs in the cytoplasm. You can see the cytoplasm right here in a normal cell. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's what I thought. Now, to add a little bit more detail, for the root words of glycolysis, glyco means glucose, and lysis means breakdown. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a better understanding for glycolysis and what it means for the root words. Now, what is the glycolysis process? Well, it's pretty complicated, as you can see behind me in this complicated diagram equation picture. But to keep it in simple terms, glycolysis is the process in which one glucose molecule is broken down to form two molecules of pyruvic acid, which are also called pyruvate. Let's model this. Let's check it out. Okay, let's pretend that this red playing card is one glucose molecule. And what happens in the glycolysis process is it goes through it, and it's turned into not one, but two molecules of pyruvic acid. Pretty cool. There's my little model there for you guys. Now, let me sum this up. So glycolysis, which happens in the cytoplasm, takes one glucose molecule and breaks it down, just like this, and turns it into two pyruvates. Now, this process does require some energy, so it uses 2 ATP and 2 NADH for this process of glycolysis in the cytoplasm. Just to sum it all up. Now, the pyruvate, which we made before, as you can see behind me, will be converted and or oxidized. Now, when the Krebs cycle, which is what this process is called, happens, it produces carbon dioxide, 2 ATP molecules, 6 NADH molecules, and 2 FADH molecules. Now, FADH molecules are coenzymes. How are you doing? We're back with science today. Science Dayton here. We're going to model the electron transport system here. So check it out. We got the protein complexes right here, and these actually have our little electrons in them right here. The board almost fell. Alright. So basically the NADH and the FADH drop off our hydrogens, and they're pumped out by the protein complexes, so that you get all these hydrogens up here, just like that. And when the hydrogens are pumped out, they come over here to the ATP synthase. This is where most of the stuff happens. So from the ATP synthase, the hydrogen, basically you get water from it. So you get H2O, which is water. And when the hydrogen molecules are coming out and like moving around in here like this, it makes energy, which is where you get your ATP. And normally in the electron transport system, you produce about, let's see here, about 32 to 34 ATP in total right there. So that's pretty much explains it. So, yep, that's about it there. That's our little model for you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. I gotta go. Now, the whole goal of cellular respiration is to create ATP. That's the whole goal of it. You gotta create ATP energy. So. Jesus! Now, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this makes no sense. This literally makes no sense. Oh my god. What the hell is a pyruvate? What the heck? Oh my god, I'm gonna fail biology. Okay, so oh my god. God, I'm gonna fail biology. Jesus Christ. Means glucose and lysis means.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.